Hello, my name is Hossein Mahdavian, and in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to turn day into night in After Effects. So stay with me until the end of the video. To start, we need a design that we can download it for free from FreePig website. Here I typed nature sun because I need a nature with a sun. You can see all kinds of design here. I downloaded this one which has both day and night. After downloading, import it into the Illustrator program and place different parts in different layers. For example, the sea is separate. These clouds are in separate layers. We put the moon and the sun separately and the day and night sky in the separate layer. And we save this file in AI format. Open the file storage location and drag and drop it into the project window in the After Effects program. We put this on composition and layer size and click on OK. Double click on the composition. As you can see, all the layers with the same name that we saved in Illustrator will open here. The only problem is that the sun is black around it. If we set the mode of this layer to screen, this problem will be solved. Well, the first thing we need to do is to animate the sun and the moon. In the beginning, it is day and we shouldn't see the moon. Select the moon layer and hit P and move it from the y-axis and place it under the sea. It's day and we should see the sun. So I temporarily hide the night sky layer and I animate the sun. For example, I want the sun to be in the sky for a second, then it will go down and then the moon will come up. Hit P for position. Create a keyframe. For example, I move the CTI forward for a second or two and bring the sun down from the y-axis. Like this. At the same time that the sun leaves the scene, the moon must enter the scene. Create a keyframe for the position of the moon layer. Move the CTI forward for a second and bring the moon up. We have made something like this so far. Select these keyframes and make them easy by pressing F9. If you feel like this action is going fast, you can select these keyframes, hold Alt and click on this keyframe and move to the right to increase the distance between the keyframes and decrease the speed. Now I play the animation from the beginning. The moon enters the scene late. I select these keyframes and move them to the left, like this. Now we want the sky to become night as soon as the sun goes down. Select the day sky layer, hit T, and create a keyframe for opacity. For example, when it reaches here, I will move this keyframe a little. When it reaches here, it should turn to night. So I set its opacity to 0. You see? As the sun goes down, the sky becomes night. Move this keyframe a bit. Select these two keyframes and make them easy by pressing F9. Unhide the night sky layer. For example, here, hit T and create a keyframe for opacity. Initially, the opacity should be 0. And gradually, the opacity increases and becomes 100. Now I will adjust these keyframes. At the same time as the day opacity decreases, night opacity increases. Like this. You see? Select these two keyframes and press F9 to make them easy ease. So far we have made this animation. Now we have to animate these clouds as well as the sea. I want these clouds to leave the scene as soon as the sun moves down. Select the Cloud 1 layer. For example, here, press P. In a second, I'll take it out of the stage, like this. Select the Cloud 2 layer, hit P. Its animation is tasteful and you can animate it in any way you like. This is how I take this cloud out of the scene. And here, for example, I animate cloud number 3. And I take it out from this side. Select these keyframes and make them easy ease by pressing F9. I play the animation from the beginning. By holding Alt, we can adjust the speed of these clouds. Or move these keyframes. Their animation is tasteful and you can animate them any way you like. It's time to animate the sea layer. Select this layer and search for the curves effect from the Effects and Presets panel. And place it on this layer. From this part, select the red channel and set it like this. Select the green channel and set it like this. Select the blue channel and move it up like this. The goal is to create a night mode for the sea. Now the sea is night. In order to make it more beautiful, I use another effect called color balance. Drag and drop color balance HLS on this sea layer. I'll increase the hue a bit and make it more blue. Reduce the brightness. And I also reduce the saturation, and in this way I turn the sea into night. You can see how beautiful we were able to turn the sea into the night with two very simple effects. The adjustment is a matter of taste. You can see the reflection of the moon on the sea as well. Click on the stopwatch of these options to create a keyframe for all of them. Hit U to see the keyframes. Exactly here, where the sea should be day, I will reset these options. You can see that the keyframes were created for all of them. As the sun goes down, this sea also turns into night. You can also move these keyframes a bit so that the day to night transition for the sea happens faster. Select these keyframes and make them easy ease by pressing F9. You can also set these keyframes as you wish. And in this way we were able to turn day into night. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.